Let's talk about fixing Roblox login problems fast. If you can't get in, here's what usually works. Step 1. Double check your username and password. Sounds basic, but typos are the number one issue, especially if you're on mobile with autocorrect. Step 2. If you forgot your password, hit forgot password and reuse it using your email or phone number linked to the account. Step 3. Clear your browser or app cache. On mobile, just go into your app settings and clear storage. On PC, wipe the browser cookies and try again. Step 4. If you're seeing two-factor login issues, make sure your authenticator app or email codes are synced with your time zone, otherwise Roblox rejects the code. And finally, check Roblox status page. Sometimes the server are down and it's not you. Try those steps and you'll fix 90% of Roblox login problems right away. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.